Hello guys, welcome to the 5th episode of my house hunting series in Melbourne, Australia in 2022. So in the last 4 episodes, we have seen apartments in Melbourne CBD and inner suburbs, and from now on we will see house and townhouses in the suburbs a bit further away because we have decided that we can't afford anything big enough closer to the city center. So today we're gonna see one house and one townhouse in Port Cook. Port Cook is located in West Melbourne City and was voted the most popular and livable outer suburb of Melbourne. Once you get on Princess Highway, it only takes you 20 minutes to the city center, which is super convenient. This house that we were looking at had 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a double garage. The listing price was from 640 to 680,000. The land area is 262 square meters. It has ducted heating and air conditioning. The kitchen is really beautiful with a kitchen island and beautiful marble bench top. I love the back tiles as well. Living area and dining area is quite spacious. The house is very well maintained and it looks like new. We really like the wooden floor as well. It has a very light brown color, which is super easy for us to have any kind of furniture that we like. They also have installed their CCTV, so it's super handy to have. The outdoor area has a little deck and a cute little lawn, some garden boxes. This is big enough for us and everything is quite neat and clean, which we really like. The good thing about houses like this is that it's turnkey, it's ready to move in, and similar to the apartments, we don't really have to worry much about it. Buying a house will also save us a lot of corporate fee, about $5,000 to $10,000 a year. The next place we inspected was actually a display home of a project that will finish later this year. It's a 2-story townhouse on a plot of land of 150 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a study, and a double garage. The price for this unit is $630,000, but it's not finished, so we will save a lot on stamp duty. We will only have to pay about $10,000 instead of about 30-something thousand. We actually fell in love with this unit the moment we walked into it. We love the color of the wooden floor, is so pleasant and goes really well with the light color scheme of the whole unit. It has a lot of storage too, even had a walk-in pantry. Let's go check out the bedrooms upstairs. So they have 3 bedrooms in this unit. They actually have one corner unit available as well, which will have glass window on the side of the townhouse. We are also interested in looking at that corner unit, but they didn't have any available for inspection. This project also have other townhouses with lower price, down to even $510,000. Another thing that we really like about the design of these townhouses is that the ceiling height is 2.7 meters. The normal ceiling height in other places that we've been to is only 2.5 meters, and 2.7 makes a really big difference. It makes the whole space look a lot less stuffy. The only downside of buying this unit is that we won't have to rent for another few months before this gets ready. This townhouse has a small backyard and then the garage. There's an eco water tank that stores the rainwater so that you can use that to water the lawn or the gardens. It also has a security gate system which makes the whole area a lot more secure. The front landscape is taken care of by the council. This is the actual unit that they are building, which was expected to complete later this year. After the inspection, we checked out the shopping center nearby, and it was amazing. It has all kind of restaurants, all kind of cuisines, and Woolies, Aldi, Coles. It's only 5 minutes from the townhouse, which is perfect. The townhouse is also only 5 minutes to a train station, and from the train station it only takes me 1 hour and 10 minutes to go to work. To be honest, after the last 2 inspections, I'm a lot more hopeful to get a place that we want with the amount of money that we have. I mean, we can have a lot more value to our monies than what we saw in Auckland or Clayton South. It only takes the same amount of time for me to go to work, even a bit shorter, but the house or townhouse obviously a lot more space and a much better value for our money than the apartments. So what do you think? If you were me, which one would you choose? City life or outer suburb life with a lot more space? Let me know in the comment, and I see you next time. Bye!